Being diagnosed with an illness is incredibly frightening for both families and for the patient. It's been well documented that having the stress and anxiety can detract from the healing process. Anything that we can do to make that hospital experience more fun, happier, and joyful for the kids will help them on their road to recovery.
Project Courage is a charity initiative that we created to build a small electric motorized vehicle that we named Shogo. So as a young patient, instead of being transported in a wheelchair, they can drive themselves to their appointment or their surgery in a small electric Honda.
We put a lot of time and effort collaborating on Project Courage to make sure that this vehicle was not only safe for our patients to drive, but also really fun and enjoyable.
We learned a lot working with the healthcare professionals. We further developed a handle to receive the IV pole. We specifically designed and positioned the bar so that it could hold the pump system. We even included an actual horn in there with encouraging sounds. This was always my dream job. And the chance to work on something like this is just amazing.
Whoa.
It looks like the perfect size for you.
All right, let's load up your car. You ready? Yeah, all right, let's go. Everybody get out of the way.
The patient's response has been amazing. It's specifically designed for them. It has a license plate that they can create.
Did you go fast?
Yeah.
Yes.
My favorite part of the experience was I heard Charlie laugh harder than I have the whole time that he's been in the hospital. So hearing that laugh again makes me want to cry just talking about it.
Feel way better.
It's a feeling you can't describe. To be able to do something for a kid just means a lot for me.
To the children and the parents who are going to be benefiting from this, I would just say, Honda is with you, and we want to help you get through it.